In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on this device. So you've got two methods. Let's start with the quicker one. At first you need to open your phone dialer, and now enter a secret code, which is *##, 06#. And here it is. As you can see right in front of you, you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. Tap on OK to go back, and then you can also open IMEI numbers along with serial number via settings. So at first you need to open the settings. Now find and select about phone, so you can find it at the top of the list, and here click on all specs right here. And as you can see, you will be able to check kernel version, baseband version as well here. But if you would like to gain those IMEI and serial number, click on status, and here you've got IMEI numbers. And if you will click on model and hardware, here you've got the serial number assigned to this XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.